73 ఉన్నాడా? ఓకే, పీపీటీ ఓపెన్ అవ్వట్లేదు. ఓపెన్ ఫ్రమ్ మై సైడ్ అండ్
You're opening on Smart.
Sorry?
You're opening the PPT on Smart.
I'm unable to open here. There may be a network issue or something over here.
No, sir, your camera is clear cut.
I'm not sharing anything over here.
No, I mean your cam, sir.
Oh, that's kind. I'm trying to open the PPT for the problem. Going at an external source. Is this visible?
Yes, sir, it's visible.
Right, where did we stop yesterday?
Second one was over, sir. Second problem.
Yeah, we have completed second one, right? We are into third and then the fourth last problem. So before that, let's read out the question. Determine the missing properties for water. The value of V2. How do you find V2? How to find V2? Please someone answer. How do you solve this problem?
You are using VF and VG.
VF and VG.
Yes.
So from where we need to go with the VF and VT? VG, sorry.
From the steam tables.
From the steam tables. So go to the steam tables. So if your 400 is not available over there, go with 350. What is the last temperature which is available?
Just 1 minute.
Please do check it. What is the last temperature which is available there?
36. No, wait. 373, sir.
373.
Yes.
So take about 350.
Okay.
Go with 350.
Yes, sir, 350.
Yeah. At 350, note down the values of your what do you call specific volume VF and VG. VF and VG.
Road, sir.
Yeah. Now tell me the value.
VF is 0.00174.
Okay. Okay.
And VG is 0.0088024.
Now finally tell me the value of V.
So how do I find V?
That is by finding the X value.
Okay. So for X we need to know V, right?
See,
X is
Is
not.
it the superheated vapor water table available at that temperature? Superheated one,
What, sir?
saturated and subcooled one. Is the temperatures available? Avinash,
సార్
ఉన్నావా?
ఉన్నాను సార్.
ఈ సబ్కూల్డ్ లో కానీ సూపర్ హీటెడ్ లో కానీ మాక్సిమం టెంపరేచర్ రేంజ్ ఎంతవరకు అవైలబుల్ ఉంది?
ఓకే చూస్తాం. సార్ మీరు పెట్టిన మాడ్యూల్లో అయితేనేమో ఐ మీన్ 1300 వరకు ఉంది, కాకపోతే ప్రెషర్ వేరే ఉంది. 400 degrees ఉంది కానీ ప్రెషర్ ఏమో 0.001 ఉంది.
అది దట్ ఇస్ అ లాజిక్ వీ నీడ్ టు ఫైండ్ ఓవర్ దేర్. సో based on that particular temperature, what is the pressure which you have got there? Pressure and
400 at 10 I think. ఒక్క నిమిషం సార్ చూసి చెప్తాను. One minute, sir.
Okay.
Sir, from the steam table, sir.
Yeah, from steam table itself.
So we should check for subcooled.
No, first you check at the particular temperature. First you need to know in which region it is, whether it is in a superheated region or whether it is in a subcooled region. That is what we need to find first.
Okay.
And then later we'll go to the direct value. I want everyone to look into the steam table.
సార్ మీరు ఒకసారి స్లైడ్ నెంబర్ 7 ఓపెన్ చేయరా?
Slide number.
టేబుల్స్ సూపర్ హీటెడ్ సబ్ కూల్డ్ అక్కడనే, సూపర్ హీటెడ్ టేబుల్ ఉంది అక్కడనే.
ఇది స్టీమ్ టేబుల్ 18 pages దాంట్లోనా?
అది కాదు, మీరు ఇందులోనే మాడ్యూల్ 2లో పేజ్ నెంబర్ 7 అనుకుంటా. ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ కలం ఉంది లాస్ట్.
ఓకే, రైట్. ఇది సూపర్ హీటెడ్ వాటర్ డైరెక్ట్ గా.
కాకపోతే ఇక్కడ ప్రెషర్ ఏమో 0.01 MPa ఉంది.
Actually, I will tell you now. See, if you go through here, ఇక్కడ ఈ ప్రాబ్లమ్ లో the pressure is given as 500, right? kPa. అర్థమైందా?
Yes, sir.
So for this kPa you convert into MPa and go through the steam table pressure based.
Okay.
And find out the value of Tsat.
At 500.
Sorry, Tsat. At that particular pressure, find out Tsat.
Okay.
At 500 kPa.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. 0.5 MPa.
Yeah. Point 5 MPa లో చూడండి, టెంపరేచర్ బేస్డ్ ప్రెషర్ బేస్డ్ దాంట్లోకి వెళ్ళండి. 0.5. Is it 0.5? Yes, I got for 0.5 as 151.5831 Is that correct?
Yes, sir. 151.831.
I will actually directly share the screen such that it will be easy for you to understand.
Yes, sir. T sat is
Just a moment.
151.83.
Right. So this is a pressure-based one, right? So
Yes,
for this
sir.
0.5 MPa, here is a 0.5 MPa. So here is a T-sat which I got as 151.831. Is that correct?
Yes.
So this 151.831, this T-sat, is this greater than T actual one or less than T? Here. This is a T400 and
Yes, sir.
T-sat is 151. So obviously here T is greater than T-sat.
Yes, sir.
So if your T is greater than T-sat, so it is in which zone?
So, sir, it's in TV graph.
Yeah, in a TV.
Superheated regions.
Yeah,
Yes, sir. Superheated
superheated
region.
region. Now you got the point. So now directly jump on to superheated one. Because I'll tell you what, I'll tell you the difference between the previous tables of the problems which you have solved and this one. I'll stop it here, the screen, and I'll explain you on the board. Look at the board here. Is this visible? So in the previous, what we have done is like, to calculate V, we have taken as Vf into 1 minus x plus Vg into x. This is a method we have followed for calculation of your specific volume. We have taken Vf and Vg from steam tables, right?
Yes,
Is that
sir.
right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
But provided you should know the dryness fraction.
Yes.
Without knowing the dryness fraction, you cannot calculate your specific volume. Is this dryness fraction given there in the
No,
problem?
Yes, sir.
No, it is not given. In the previous problem, it was given. Then we have substituted, we have got the value.
Yes. Also, V was given.
Oh, right. But here in this case, V is not given, X is not given, nothing is given. So how do you do it? That is only based on your steam table. Now, first is we need to identify the state. First, identify the state. Now we have identified like T is greater than T sat. So it in a superheated region. Now directly jump on to superheated table. So in a superheated table, directly go on to 400 degrees Celsius and then at this temperature, find out the value of V directly. There Vf, Vg will not be given over there because already you have known the state. So if that state is known, directly will jump to that state and the particular temperature will know the value of your specific value. There is no business for Vf and Vg in that moment here.
Yes, sir. This 31.60063, sir.
31.063.
063.
What is this?
V, sir.
V,
At 400 degrees.
meter cube per kg. Is that correct, Avinash?
సార్ కానీ ప్రెజర్ అక్కడ వేరే ఉంది కదా సార్.
Pressure vary untadi. Where superheated low, if you are known the region, the pressures will be different. It will not match to that. That pressure is given to identify the state because you should be clear with the concept. I'll tell you over here. This is the point which is initially started the pressure. Our pressure in the 500 kPa. Okay. With this 500 kPa, we have started this state. Okay. And then moved to this region. Okay. So, ikkada, when you have known the region, whether it is a subcooled or mixed one or superheated, now we are focusing in superheated region 1. Okay. So now go to the superheated region and then based on this, find out the value of your specific volume for the property.
So sir, we should like go for P equal to 0.5.
Just a moment. ఏం కావాలా సరే okay.
Sir, the one I told you was for P is equal to 0.01 MP.
I'll check in the both values. Just a moment. Give me a minute.
Found sir for 0.5.
Yeah. Tell me the value.
0.61730 V.
Yes, this is correct. This is wrong.
0.61730.
61730. This is what I expect for everyone to give the answer. Only 1 or 2% is going through the tables and identifying it. I want everyone to go through that.
So sir, at the time of exam,
Yes.
will they give us 100 pages of steam tables?
Book, you have to carry the book. Not
Okay,
100
okay.
pages. There will be a book, steam table book. It is available, the hard copy. That is, you need to purchase.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Mostly few exam centers they will be providing, or else you have to carry your own book.
Okay, sir.
So this is based on the pressure you have gone, right?
Yes, sir.
0.5. Where is this? 0.5. Table will be clear for the saturated water. Superheated. Based on temperature. Hey, look at this.
Yes, sir.
Avinash. చూస్తున్నావా? Is it visible?
Yes, sir. It's somewhat
Screen
different.
చూడండి. Look at the screen.
There is somewhat difference.
This is the easiest way to identify. That is the case I'm showing you this table.
Yes, sir.
I'm not sure.
సార్ చూస్తున్నాం సార్.
Look at the screen. See here it is 500 kPa. And here is a temperature 400. Now you have to look at here. The specific volume is 0.61728. No issues. Very near value. Anything is fine. So here you will get all the values directly. Like there will be no what you call at the liquid or the vapor one. Directly you will get your complete specific volume, internal energy, enthalpy, entropy. All the values will get directly.
Okay, sir.
But you have to know first what is the state. It is a superheated one. So So directly we jump on to superheated and we'll go through the pressure and the temperature, and then we'll identify the property values. Because you should identify the states. Sometimes they will ask you to calculate the dryness fraction. If you want to calculate the dryness fraction x, the quality, now from this table directly you have found the v value, then substitute v value over there, and also we need to substitute vf and vg. That vf and vg is known from your saturation pressure values, vf and vg. Okay. And then substitute over that values, then you will get the x value.
Yes, sir.
Avinash, అర్థమైందా?
Yes, sir.
Shall we move on to the next problem? This is third model. Previous models was a bit simple. Now this model is, we need to identify. So when you are moving on to the level up, obviously the problem will be much more difficulty. This is just only the simple problems more I'm solving. The next more I'll go to the advanced problems later cases. Now we'll move on to the next question. Right. So here determine the missing property for water. Here at this particular pressure, we need to identify T4 and V4, and also the dryness fraction is given.
So we can first calculate V4.
Simple. It is only thing is like go to pressure based one at 3 kPa. Okay, that is around 3 MPa. At that particular one, calculate your Tsat. Enter the Tsat value over here, and then also note down Vf and Vg. Okay, and then directly substitute the value of x.
Yes, sir.
Then you'll get the value of V. That is V is equal to Vf into 1 minus x plus Vg into x.
Sir, here also we can directly look from the stream tables, right?
But you have to know the state.
Okay.
You have to know the state. How do you know the state?
Okay. Still, but like using T and P, we can know the state, right?
At this P, you will know the value of T.
Yes.
Right? Tsat will be known.
Yes.
But what is actual T? To know the state, we have to know the actual temperature and saturation temperature.
Okay.
Then only we will be able to identify in which state it is. Suppose if your T is greater than Tsat, then we can say like it is in a superheated one. Suppose if your T is less than Tsat, then we can say it in a subcooled one. But here,
Yes, sir, yes.
your actual T is not known, right?
Yes, sir. Yes. So
That is what
we
we have
find
to identify. Yeah, what is your doubt, Abu Bakr?
So then, how do we find the actual temperature?
You cannot find the actual temperature now. Only thing is you can find Tsat. The actual temperature that should be given. It's not given. So we'll go only with the saturation temperature.
Okay.
Now actual temperature is not required for me.
Okay.
I'll know the Tsat value, and to calculate V, obviously dryness fraction is given.
Yes, sir.
If not dryness fraction is given, then I should know the value of T to know the state of that.
Okay. So in this question, like we can only find the value of V4.
Yes, we can directly find the value of V4. How? Based
for
on the
T4?
formula which you have, V is equal to Vf into 1 minus x plus Vg into x.
So we can't find T4.
The T4 is nothing but Tsat itself.
Okay.
See, this T4, V4 is nothing but the states. At 1, 2, 3, 4, that numbering is given. Do not confuse in this numbering.
Okay. So we can say that Tsat is the actual temperature.
No, we cannot say that. That is only at a saturation temperature. That is not actual temperature. See, do not confuse. I'll tell you the concept here. Look at the board. Look at the board here, everyone.
Yes, sir.
See, let me say this is for your TV, and here isobaric one, P is constant. So let me take for the first one as the pressure as P1 is equal to maybe around 1 MPa or maybe 1
సార్ మీ
atmosphere.
స్క్రీన్ అంతా రివర్స్ కనబడుతుంది సార్. మొత్తం మిర్రర్ లో చూసినట్టుంది సార్ మీ స్క్రీన్.
మిర్రర్లో చూసినట్టుందా? స్క్రీన్ షేర్ చేస్తున్నానా లేకపోతే డైరెక్ట్ స్క్రీన్ అవైలబుల్?
యా ఓకే సార్, ఇట్స్ ఓకే.
So this P1 is 1 atmospheric which I have considered. Next one I have considered P2 as 2 atmospheric pressure and P3 as 5 and P4 as 10. అర్థమవుతుందా? Is it clear?
Yes,
So
sir.
this 1 atmospheric pressure is constant from A to D. B, C, D. Till A to D, this at 1 atmospheric pressure, the actual one is constant. Okay. And the saturation is different. This you'll get the PSAT over here. This is for your liquid VF, and this is for your vapor PSAT. Okay, latent heat of fusion, latent heat of vaporization. Are you following? This is your actual pressure, and this PSAT is different, and this PSAT is different. Now we'll identify based on in terms of temperature. Let us not confuse TSAT and TSAT over here. Okay, so this TSAT from here to here, in between this is fixed. That is, for the case of 1 atmospheric pressure, it is 100 degrees Celsius. Right? Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
But this 100 degrees Celsius, this TSAT is not same for all the cases of your pressure. Let me say for P2, if I start P2 at 2 atmospheric pressure, this may be 80 Celsius itself, the TSAT.
Decreases.
Obviously it will decrease because your pressure is increasing. This temperature required for boiling here requires more higher temperature. As when your pressures are increasing, the temperature which is required will definitely come down. This may be different, this may be different, this may be different. Okay. So now according to this problem, which has been given over here, the T4 is nothing but 1, 2, 3, 4. This is T4 here. Okay. So this T4 you are identifying based on pressure which has been given. That pressure is 3000 kPa. At this particular pressure, you are identifying your T4 at this particular point. But we do not know what is the temperature which is initially started here at this point, at this point, at this point, I do not know. How can you say that? I may start at here at 50 and may reach over here at 70, and here I may reach at end up at 80.
So, sir, like, so whenever, like, if T or P is missing,
Yes.
we need to find TSAT or PSAT.
Yes, only saturation temperature and saturation pressures only will identify. We cannot find the given one. I mean, actual temperature and actual pressure.
Okay, sir.
Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
That actual pressure and temperature is, I do not know, I can vary. Here it may be some other temperature, here it may be some other, that all depends.
Yes, sir.
Suppose if we want to know the direct V value without going through the formula of your dryness fraction and all, you need to know the state. Suppose if I know the state as subcooled, then in the subcooled region, at that particular pressure and at that particular saturation value of your temperature, I will identify the V. But here in this case, the actual temperature is not given. I could not know. Only saturation value, I can know it. Okay.
Yes, sir.
If I want to know the state, the PSAT should be given. If suppose PSAT is also given, then I will identify the state. Then directly I will jump on to that particular state if it is in superheated. Then at that particular pressure and the PSAT value which I have got at 3001, then I will identify the V. Is that clear? Is that clear now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's clear.
Now T4 we got it directly from saturation 1 and also the B.
Yes.
B, how?
Direct action.
That is by dryness fraction. You have got V is equal to Bf into 1 minus X plus Vg into X. Okay. Or also you can write down another formula like V is equal to Vf plus X into Vfg. In this way also you can write it. Okay. So this Vfg is nothing but Vg minus Vf is nothing but your Vfg. Okay. Is that clear?
Yes, yes, sir. The board
What
is
I told you like Vfg is like in steam tables, this Vfg also will be directly available to you.
the board is not clearly visible, sir. Quality is
Just a moment.
very bad. It's become like 144p.
Now,
No, sir. The total board became
Quality is less, sir.
okay. I cannot help it in this moment. ఇంట్లో ఉంటే మార్కర్ బోర్డ్ ఉండేది డైరెక్ట్ గా విజిబుల్ ఉండేది.
it's become worse than 144p.
Sorry.
The quality became worse than 144p, sir.
Good. Now I'll show it here in the screen by going to the table. Just identify now. అరే ఇక్కడ ప్రజెంట్ చేస్తున్నాను అందుకనే. ఇప్పుడు Abu Bakar, now is it clear?
Yes, sir. Somewhat, sir. I was actually looking at your cam only, not the
ఓకే ఓకే ఇందాక మిర్రర్లో ఎందుకు కనబడేది అంటే స్క్రీన్ షేరింగ్ చేశాను అందుకని మిర్రర్ లా కనబడింది.
లెటర్స్ క్లియర్ గా ఓపెన్ అవుతుంది
ఓకే
బోర్డు మీద రాసి.
I will share this one. I will show you here directly. ikkada see, look at this screen. Here HFG and SFG is directly available. Is that clear?
Yes,
Just
sir.
before which I told you the formula where V is equal to Vf plus X into Vfg. So if I want the enthalpy at that place, that particular pressure and the temperature, my X value, if it is given, I can go with directly HFG and HF, and then if I substitute this, then directly I'll get the value of H. Clear?
So it's similarly okay. Similar for all.
Similar for all. Suppose if I want to know directly this V, actual internal energy, actual enthalpy and actual entropy, that can be known only when if I know the state, whether it is a subcooled or whether it is in a superheated. Suppose if it is a superheated, then directly I will go over here, that pressure and that temperature, and then I will go directly to this what do you call specific volume, internal energy, enthalpy and entropy. Directly I'll get all these values, but provided I should know the state, whether it is in a superheated or subcooled. This was a problem previously. The pressure is given and what do you call saturation temperature is known. Let me say for another example, sometimes if your actual temperature is given, Tsat is not given. So in that case, you need to go with this as a temperature and this saturation as a pressure. then you have to note down the values. అర్థమైందా? That will be another case of the problem also. The later case will do that. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, is this problems which is being given, is it clear to you, and are you able to go through the steam table identification? We are done with the example problems. Now we'll move on to the actual classroom problems. So here I've given you the different classroom problems which I have already uploaded in the Teams. You can go through that. I want from your side, right now with the time up, I cannot go with the solving of all the problems. I'll start in the next class. There are 2 more classes in this week. I'll complete the other problems, rest of this in this week itself. Okay. So here, I'll just give you a hint to identify how to solve the problem number 1. Find the saturation temperature, the change in specific volume, and entropy during evaporation, and the latent heat of evaporation at steam at 1 MPa. So what is you need to do is like go directly to 1 MPa into the steam table 1 MPa based on the pressure base. So at that pressure base, calculate Tsat, identify Tsat, note down that. Change in specific volumes. Change in the specific volume in the sense you have to identify Vf and Vg and Vfg. That is your change in specific volumes. Okay. And next, entropy during evaporation. Evaporation in the sense at the time of your formation of your steam. Vg, that is in the sense Sg. Sg you have to identify here. And next, latent heat of evaporation of steam. That is SFG, HFG, UFG. That all those things you have to identify at 1 MPa. Okay, go to the steam table and identify all these values. Simple problem, directly identification, nothing more calculation part in this. Okay, take this as homework. In the next class we'll move on to the further solving of other problems more. Okay, I'll stop it here. Before that, I'll go to the attendance part here.
సార్ ఒకసారి స్టీమ్ టేబుల్స్ క్లాస్ రూమ్ లో పెడతారా?
గూగుల్ క్లాస్ రూమ్ లోనా? గూగుల్ క్లాస్ రూమ్ లో కూడా ఉంది. మెటీరియల్స్ లోకి వెళ్ళండి. గూగుల్ క్లాస్ రూమ్ లో కూడా ఉంది. So these are the numbers who are present today's class. You can identify here 31, 18, 33, 32, 10, 24, 12, 13, 16, 17, 7, 19, 14, 26, 4, 9, 22, 6, 11, 25, 5, 23, 3, 27, 38, 54, we admitted, and 8, 20. These are the numbers present and rest of the people are absent.
So 28.
Recorded the attendance.
28.
28 ఇందులో రీలోడ్ చేయలేదా నేను? వస్తే రావాలి కదా 28 ఇక్కడ ఉంటే. This is automatic. Who are present directly will be visible over here.
Okay, sir.
ఓకేనా? లేని వాళ్ళది రాదు ఇందులో.
Sir, which steam table book is recommended?
Sir, 39.
Where is this? It's not available here. This is updated one.
సార్ నాకు రాలేదు సార్ నా నెంబర్, రూల్ నెంబర్ 2.
నెంబర్ 2 రాలేదా?
సార్ 29 కూడా రాలేదు సార్.
What is the next class? Next class is ఏంటమ్మా?
English.
వచ్చారా సార్? సార్ జాయిన్ అయ్యారా? నేను 54. Roll number 1 is absent. 2, 3, 4 is absent. 5.
సార్ 4 present సార్.
4.
4.
4 ఇక్కడ రాలేదే మరి ఇందులో కూడా
చిన్న సార్
మరి ఇక్కడ రావట్లేదు. ఓకే, ఇంక్లూడ్ 4
ఇప్పుడు మీరు ఇందాక రూల్ నెంబర్ కౌంట్ చేసినప్పుడు ఉండే సార్
ఉందా అందులో? ఓకే,
మీరు 4 అన్నారు సార్.
9 10 15 absent, 21 absent.